Hello, my name is Victoria and I will be giving my presentation for English 112. I am currently 23 years old from Portland, Oregon. I decided to join the Marine Corps in 2019. Prior to the Marine Corps, I used to be a waitress and I really enjoyed it. However, I felt that I needed more discipline and decided to join the military. I am a student at Coastal Carolina because it was one of the colleges offered for Camp Lejeune military members. On my free time, I like to hang out with friends and DoorDash. I've decided that I want to join the FBI and become an intelligence analyst. I graduated from Marine Corps Boot Camp in 2019, and I plan to attend University of North Carolina after I finish my associates with Coastal Carolina. I would like to study forensics or cybersecurity because it supports the intelligence discipline. I expect to be done with my studies in 2017 and plan to join the FBI or any three-letter agency that will accept me. My ultimate goal is to become an instructor or a professor at the FBI. I've always been passionate about teaching and mentoring, and that is something I would like to do no matter what job I end up having. The book I am holding on the right was a gift given to me by one of my mentors. This book is called Communicating with Intelligence, that focuses on how to speak and write in the intelligence community. It has been my holy grail. As an intelligence, communications can be difficult to understand. The most common format you will use is Chicago style and Blue Book format. Chicago style is used for research and developing an explanation from multiple sources. Blue Book writing is a style of citing legal documents within the United States and is most commonly seen with lawyers and in the courtroom. There are multiple styles of writing in the intelligence community, however I will be talking about three. The first genre is writing with statistics. The purpose of this is to draw a conclusion about a larger group of people. An audience would typically be a smaller group of individuals who are knowledgeable on a case or other analyst. For example, the different type of statistical writing you will do is a demonstration to a two-star general or to other intelligence professionals in order to gather a proper conclusion. The second type of genre is a lab report. The purpose of this is to provide scientific research to discuss the impact of this research. An audience would be law enforcement, criminologists, lawyers, or secretaries. Because there are so many different jobs in the FBI, you never know who you'll be talking to or what type of reports you'll have to be writing, so you need to be able to cater to those individuals. The other type of writing is criminological writing. This is primarily seen in the courtroom, and the purpose of this is to inform, explain, persuade, or make a request from an audience. There are very many characteristics of intelligence writing. The first characteristic is clarity. In order to properly conduct intelligence writing, you want to make sure it is very clear. The second part is to be succinct. This is to get straight to the point and not waste anybody's time while you're in a conference room. One of the primary factors of making an intelligence presentation is to create a bluff. The bluff stands for bottom line up front. What's the point of this and what's the WIFM? What's in it for me? The next step is to be precise. First of all, you don't want to go into a presentation or write something that you don't know well about, so it's important to collaborate all of your resources and make sure that all of the information matches as clearly as possible. They should convey the same overall message and consistent tone and attitude for the rest of the paper. Whether you write a conclusion or a judgment call is up to you, and it's your responsibility to get the point across. Jack Garcia is one of the leading FBI experts to the most successful undercover agents in the history of the FBI. Jack Garcia guised himself as Jack Falcone and infiltrated the Gambino crime family of La Cosa Nostra in New York. The case resulted in the arrest and conviction of 39 mobsters. He has also worked undercover against hundreds of drug dealers and leaders of the Colombian and Mexican drug cartels, while posing as either a money launderer, transporter, or trafficker. He has done undercover work on national and international terrorism cases as well as national security investigations. Garcia has also worked undercover against Russian and Asian organized crime groups in several murder-for-hire undercover investigations. Most remarkably, Garcia worked on many roles simultaneously as he juggled his various undercover identities and cases. Garcia successfully managed to work as an undercover FBI agent for 24 out of his 26 years with service and dedication. Overall, I've talked about intelligence writing, the different types of styles that they use, the characteristics necessary in order to conduct intelligence writing, and an influential figure, Jack Garcia.